Hi, if you have Sendwave app and you no longer need it on your smartphone, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can uninstall it. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. To do this, just go and look for your Sendwave app and then long press on it to access its app info. So choose app info option here, but depending on your phone you might be missing this. Look if you have any options such as a settings gear or even the name of the app. Tap on it to access Sendwave app. Here you can see we have this option to uninstall, but that is the long process. The shortcut is just long press on your app and you should see we have an option to uninstall here. If you just confirm this and uninstall, the app will be removed from your phone permanently together with its files. Should you want the app again any other time, now you can download it via Google Play Store or App Store and you'll have it again. So that's how you can permanently uninstall Sendwave app from your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.